How to check Telegram download file. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can check Telegram download file, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So to basically check the downloaded file on Telegram, it's actually quite simple. So if you happen to download something from Telegram app, you can easily find them within the downloads folder. So to access the downloads folder, open up the files app depending upon which phone that you use, then just go to internal storage. Then you want to simply go to downloads. Then you'll find a folder called Telegram. So when you go inside Telegram, any videos, files, zip files, documents that you have downloaded from Telegram will basically show up over here. And this way you can check Telegram download file. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.